I'm Daniel Drane. I'm the Executive Director for the Wolin Family Center for Intellectual Property and the Center for Law, Science, and Innovation. And today I'm going to talk to you about the top 5 things law students need to know about AI. The first thing to know about AI as a law student is the pretty obvious one, that entry-level legal work is changing. Research memos and drafting are easily done and accelerated by AI. This isn't anything to worry about. It's very similar to having calculators for accounting. It doesn't eliminate the need for accountants, but it really transformed the way they did their work and how quickly they could do their work. And so we're going to see the same thing within law. And so although being a first-year attorney is not going to be the same as it is today, it's going to be completely new by the time you're done with law school, so just be ready for it. The second thing a law student should know about AI in law school is ethics, 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 ethics. I cannot say it enough. Using AI in coursework requires understanding disclosure and competence obligations. So not only can you fumble and use AI incorrectly and struggle with academic integrity, but you can really struggle with your character and fitness requirements at the end of law school when you're applying for the bar. The third thing a law student should know about AI is that truly AI is a hiring leverage and a career boosting opportunity for you. So really, again, understanding disclosure competence obligations is really going to be a highly skilled asset to those law firms that you're going to go intern at and where you're going to be getting your job later on. And it's also a highly desired skill set because many people don't have that skill yet. And so law firms and companies and businesses are looking for those who are very AI aware and really have this new kind of way of thinking, way of working. And so the best thing that you can do is really embrace AI in law school and use it to your advantage. The fourth thing a law student should know about AI is that synthetic evidence is in your future. Deepfake audio, deepfake video, they're already all over the internet, and they've already been introduced in evidence in certain cases. So evidence authentication and requirements are going to really start changing and looking different as you go through your legal career. And so really, again, having that skill set, keeping your eye on what's next is going to be really helpful. The fifth thing a law student should know about AI is that AI confidence is not correctness. AI sounds authoritative, it comes off really polished sometimes, but remember, as a law student and as an intern and then as a first-year associate, clients are paying for your skills and really trust that you know what you're doing and that you know what you're submitting to the courts. So check every citations because stakes are extremely high. Not only can providing fake citations or hallucinations in court documents be bad and lead to bad outcomes for your clients, it can really lead to really negative sanctions and outcomes for you as an attorney. So those are the top 5 things for law students to know about AI. But really, just to wrap it all together, AI is going to be a part of your legal career, and really learning how to embrace it and learning how to train with it is going to be really essential for your career as you move forward.